What's up everybody, this is Carmezy back with another video. Today I have the best backpack in the world. Well actually this is a box, but inside is the best backpack in the world. So right off the bat, I gotta say I really like the box because I bought bags before and some of them they put just in like a plastic shipping bag. Sometimes it's just a regular brown box, but yeah, they actually have their own box. This is Boundary Supply. This is the Errant backpack. It was part of their Kickstarter campaign, and I am one of 9,693 people that backed their campaign. So yeah, we're gonna open it up. How the fuck did you get in there? Alright, so here we go. So we have a message on the box. Errant. Being errant is to go against the norm, pushing yourself to exist in the unknown. Our team set out to design a pack as versatile and ever-changing as our environments. The Errant pack allows you to adapt from your urban commute to getting lost on a remote travel destination. We thank you for being part of the journey, part of the team, and ultimately part of the errant individuals inspiring the lifestyle we all strive to lead. Share your journey with us. Hashtag Land, Water, Rock. Boundary. For sure. So one thing that's cool is like the backpack, it's also in a bag. Oh, it's in a bag in a box. That's fancy. And you know what's cool about this bag too? It'll protect the Errant pack, but it's 100% biodegradable, so they care about the environment. That's tight. So we don't need the box no more, so we can put that away. And the color that I got for the Errant was the Himusa. I don't know how to say it, something tan, but I'm excited. Ooh, I don't want to cut my backpack. There we go. Ooh boy. Ooh boy. Dang. Ooh boy. This sucker's fancy. I really dig this color a lot too, because in the pictures it kind of looked a little bit more tan, a little bit lighter color, but I really dig this a lot. Like it's kind of like a army tan. It doesn't look too tactical. It like kind of fits what they were saying, where it's like commuter, but you could use it anywhere. So that's really tight. Damn. I'm kind of really surprised how premium this feels like right off the bat. How are we gonna do this? I'm scared, I don't want to break nothing. There we go. But yeah, it feels like the straps. Ooh, these feel nice. You got these ribs on the back, so that way you're not sweating all over the place. But yeah, it's I know the package said like 5 pounds or something like that. I'm not sure how heavy this is, but it's not too bad. But it feels solid, it feels rugged. I like it. Tight. Dang. Now I forgot all the pockets that it has, so this is gonna take me kind of a minute. But there's a lot of cool things, like this little side latch to kind of keep it snug. It's like, how'd I do it? Oh, there we go. But yeah, it's magnetic. That's when you know you got a good bag. They got magnets. That's tight. And then you got these little side pouches for your water bottle. Like they got bungee straps right here, so it's like nice and sleek. It'll be tight when you're not using it, but when you need to put a water bottle in there, it stretches out a little bit. That's tight. Dang. Alright, so we're gonna go through like the side pockets and the smaller pockets first before we get into like the main compartments. So you do have one water bottle compartment or whatever you want to use it for on the right side. Pretty tight. And one thing that's cool too is they have like these lash points. They have a lot of different accessories for the Errant. They also have another backpack. I think it's called what's it called? I don't remember, but they got another backpack too that's pretty tight. But they have a lot of accessories. So like these little points with like the magnets and stuff. I'm kind of skipping a segment because I said I wasn't gonna go to the main one. But yeah, they got like these little points right here where you could actually attach accessories. And they have a lot of accessories that I actually want to get. It's probably gonna take me a minute because I'm broke. But yeah, eventually I want to get some accessories for this too. They have a lot of different stuff that you could get. So yeah, you got that side pocket. And then I'm gonna close that right now. We'll move over to the back. You have this hidden compartment right where your back goes on the side, but it doesn't actually like get in the way. Since you kind of have some height from the ribs right there, you could probably put some stuff in there and you're not gonna feel it at all. So go ahead and open it up. And all the zippers feel real nice. And yeah, all of them are waterproof. So that's tight. You could put your stuff in here and feel safe that you're not gonna get caught in the rain. They also have a rain cover too, I believe, but even without it, you shouldn't really have to worry about anything that's inside. So this little secret compartment, it's actually pretty deep. Fit my whole hand in there. But yeah, that's cool. Put your wallet in there, passport, condiments, you know, your ketchup and stuff. But yeah, you got a secret compartment right there. And then, is this the side one? Yeah, you got this side compartment. And this one has like, what, 1, 2, 3 compartments inside. So you can put a bunch of other stuff in there. And like I said, they have a lot of different accessories. So you have this little point right here where they actually sell like this little keychain thing. And it's magnetic too, I believe. So you just snap it in right there. And then you have your keys. You won't have to worry about losing them. But yeah, that's tight. Side pocket, 3 compartments. Pretty big. And those zippers just feel so nice. Dang. And then let's show this bottom one. So this bottom compartment too, this is pretty tight. You're gonna hear me say tight a lot in this video. What the heck? I'm tripping. But what's cool about this this little bottom compartment, it actually goes into the main compartment. You know, it doesn't go all the way through, but it's gonna take up some space if you put something in here. But it's not exactly like, I don't know, it's like kind of waterproofish. But I think the intention for this one was like to put your shoes in. So you got shoes or dirty laundry or whatever it is, you can kind of keep something in here separate from your main stuff, you know, so you don't have to worry about having a jacket in the main pocket and then throwing your shoes in the bottom and getting your jacket all dirty, you know. So this is tight. It's a whole separate container. I think they have some stuff that you could put in here too, but yeah, throw shoes in there, gym clothes, I don't know, probably any, like another water bottle, like something that might perspire and you don't want to get your other stuff ruined. But yeah, the fact that they have that at all is pretty tight. And unless I'm forgetting anything, we'll move over to the main compartment. So what's cool about the main compartment too, oh well, yeah, I'm forgetting one. So before you get to the main compartment, there's this little zipper one right here, and it goes to like about right here. Pretty big, and it's actually like has like a soft material right here, so you could throw your phone or whatever else. I don't know what else you could fit right there, but yeah, I'd be comfortable putting my phone right there. So main compartment time. But real quick, I mean, there's a lot of space for stuff. I think that's pretty tight because I mean, it's real sleek looking, it's real tight looking, but you can fit a lot of stuff in here. So for the main compartment, you could reach your stuff from up top. You have the zipper right here, and then you have these magnetic points. They also have these lash straps that you can actually connect right here. So that way you can buy those separately, and maybe you put a blanket, roll it up, your jacket or something, and kind of have it snug right there and have the lash straps. It's pretty tight. But yeah, you can reach your stuff through the main compartment right here. But it also opens up clamshell. Yeah. So you have two ways of accessing your stuff. You could take it off and open it up clamshell, so you got like all the space to get to your stuff. Or if you have it on, or you just want to get to stuff real quick or whatever, get through it from the top. So that's pretty cool. That's one of the things that I really liked about it too, the different ways to get to your main compartment. So now looking at some of the stuff in the main compartment, this is that little area at the bottom for your shoes or whatever. So like I said, if you do have stuff in there, it's gonna take up some space in the main compartment, but not too much space, so it's cool. You have some like Velcro material right here, because like I said, they do have a lot of accessories, so that's another point for accessories, so they're not like slipping and sliding. You have these two mesh pockets right here on each side, and then you also have this one up top. It's like a stretchy material. It feels really rugged, but it's also stretchy, so that's pretty cool. Probably throw like some headphones in there. I don't know what else, but yeah, I like it a lot. It feels nice. And then you also have two other stretchy compartments right here. All the stretchy. Throw like my power bank right there. Maybe some cables and stuff. Yeah, charger. Pretty cool. And then another thing that's pretty cool is you got all the little magnets again. Woo! Magnets. So you have two compartments. I guess maybe you could fit like a smaller and a bigger laptop, I'm not sure. Or a tablet and then a laptop. Probably put my tablet in the bigger one. It has this nice, same material as that other pocket, the smaller one that I was saying I'd put my phone in. But yeah, I mean, it feels good. It's not like the softest thing, but it doesn't feel like it would like scratch my screen or anything like that. I feel safe putting my stuff in there. But you got double magnets. Double magnets, because you got this compartment right here. Like I said, you put like a tablet or something. Maybe just some papers and then a laptop right here. So that's pretty cool. So let's try it on. Sleek. I'm feeling fancy. Ready to do some urban exploration. Push up. But I'm 5'5". This is how it looks on me. Yes, I know I'm short, leave me alone. Alright guys, so I wanted to show some of the stuff that we could fit in here, because we could actually fit a lot of stuff in this bag. So let me show you what I got in here. So we got some juice. We got a loaf of bread. We have some, where are they at? I think they're at the bottom. We got some bananas. We have a walking stick. Ooh. We got a fishing pole. There's still more in there. We got, this is gonna be hard to get out. We got a chair. Is there more in there? Yeah, we got some more in there. So we got a skateboard. And we got a guitar. And I think that's it. Yep. So as you can see, we can fit a lot of stuff in this bag. Badass bag, I'm happy with it. So, yeah, if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.